for the delay. Give me 2 minutes. We'll start. Okay. Sorry for the delay. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? By the way, this weekend, I think I'm going to change the date for that long-term investing with Raj Shamani. I think it's going to be on. I think I changed it already, right? If I'm not wrong, let me check. It is on 29th at 8 p.m. Yes. So we're going to do it on 29th at 8 p.m. So for all the people who want to join, you can click on that thing and set a reminder for yourself. If not, you can do whatever you want to do, man. Okay. Cool. So yeah, what was I saying? So we'll start the session in a bit. All the new iOS and Android users must be very happy that they're a part of this journey. I hope you are. If you're not, then I can't help it. But we're gonna start the session in a matter of 1 minute. Okay, so just give me 1 minute and we'll start. Just priming up the audience here. We'll start in 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do today is we'll do like what we did last time, quick news updates, and then we'll take some people on stage and we'll ask questions. By the way, I think one of our stock did really well today. Did you guys see which stock did really well? Happiest. I know for a fact that one of the stocks did really well. You guys know which one I'm talking about? Happiest Minds. कितना गया ऊपर Happiest Minds? How much did Happiest Minds go up? Can someone tell me? I'll have to check, or else that's why. Okay, let me check one sec. 4.32. Okay, wow. Happiest Minds have gone up by 4.32. That is not bad at all. Let's look at Lotus Labs because you guys said Lotus Labs. Lotus Labs only 1.53. But Aarti Surfactants has hit upper circuit today at 10%. Interesting, right? So for all the people who saw, and by the way, did most of y'all who watched the small case video or who have the 30,000 small case or 10, I hope you bought Prince Pipes today. I hope you changed it and bought Prince Pipes or Viber Global, whatever you guys wanted to. We changed Rumud, Bharti Airtel, and we bought this, right? So I hope you guys did that. If you guys didn't do that, then don't suddenly come up tomorrow and be like, you know what, this we didn't know about this, we didn't know about that. Cool. Aarti surfactants went down a lot in the morning. So I don't know if you guys have observed the trend of Aarti surfactants. I don't know how many of you all have tracked it in the past, but if you have always looked at the trend of Aarti surfactants, it lay low for a very long period of time. Say, for example, it'll be at the same rate for a very long period of time, and then after that, suddenly you'll see it hit upper circuit, right? It'll suddenly go up 50%. Correct, it suddenly shoots up to 50%. It usually comes down, it stays at, say, now it is currently at 1500, so it usually stays at 1500 for a long time, and then suddenly after that it goes up so much. Have you guys noticed? So this is something that usually happens. So it was a good day in the market. That means for all the people who have my small case, was it a good day or a bad day? Do you guys make money or not today? Again, that's what I told you, right? Remember when someone kept asking me saying that, is it a good time to buy? I kept saying currently it is in the consolidation phase, so it is the best time for you to buy right now. Keep buying as much as possible because abhi consolidate hone ke baad you will see how the stock price will move. Like it'll start shooting again. Every time this happens, it consolidates for a bit and it shoots back again. So this is what is happening. Okay, awesome. Now, what happened in the market today, guys? Okay, was it a good day or a bad day for a lot of people? The market went up by around 379 points to be precise. Okay, the market went up by 379 points to be precise. It is crossed 51,000, boys. It has crossed 51,000. Till now, we were at 50,000, and that was the psychological barrier. So, if you see today, it has crossed the psychological barrier and gone to 51,000 it has gone to. So that is a very good size. By the way, there are few companies that have hit $3 trillion market cap. Okay, and Reliance, TCS, and SGFC Bank are among the top to become the $3 trillion market cap. The price has gone up a lot, by the way, of all the companies, all the stocks. It's shot up quite drastically. So that is something that you should worry about a lot as well. Now, Sputnik 5 vaccine have been agreed to supply to Delhi. Finally, Kejriwal, remember he came yesterday and said that Sputnik 5 vaccine was not being given to him. Now finally they've got approval that Sputnik 5 will be delivered to these guys as well. Next, what else? What else? What else? This black fungus news every day. Lot of nonsense is happening in black fungus. If you guys have watched it, right? Now, there's one more thing, guys. The price rise because of inflation and a lot of other things, including your GST slabs, etc., etc. Do you know that appliances, all your appliances that you used to buy, your fridge, your ACs, all of these, do you know that the price of these appliances companies, actually not companies, but the price of appliances are going to go up by 10 to 15%? Why? Because you know that commodity prices are also on a surge right now. Commodity prices is going up. So because of the commodity prices going up, it is direct, yeah, like your metals. Now metals are required in a lot of appliances like fridges, a lot of other appliances, right? So what we are noticing here is that you will see a rise in the price of ACs and fridges. Correct? Now, if that happens, who's going to benefit? Who's going to make money? Chalo, let's see. Connect the dots, guys. If commodity prices, which are already gone up, which appliance companies, listed appliance companies will do well? I'm talking about listed. I don't want, Samsung is not a listed company in India. I'm only talking about Indian listed entities. Right? How do we make money? Tata though always makes money. Yes. Whirlpool. Yes, definitely. Who else apart from Whirlpool? Voltas, yes, definitely Voltas. Bosch, maybe. I don't think Bosch has a very big consumer line. I don't think they make too much money from consumer business. But yeah, that's why I said maybe. Bosch, maybe. Amber, I have no idea what Amber is, to be honest. I've never heard of Amber. Bajaj, obviously. Dixon, yes. Actually, Dixon will do really well. For all the people who don't know what Dixon Tech or Dixon is, you guys should read about it. Dixon is a company that went up quite drastically this season, right? Especially this earnings season. If you watch Dixon, it has gone up from what I think 4,000 to 20,000 rupees. The stock price has gone up. If you have tracked Dixon, I think now they gave a stock split as well recently. I'm not sure. But Dixon is a company that, yeah, I think they gave a stock split. You're right. So Dixon is a company that went up quite drastically, and it was insane. And if all the people who were tracking Dixon made a lot of money, but then what happened is I wanted to buy Dixon. Okay, by the time I tracked it, it was slightly too late. I wanted to buy Dixon, but then you know what happened? The stock price went utterly crazy, and it was overpriced as hell. It was overpriced as hell. The stock price. So Dixon was not a good buy after that. Again, I'm still tracking Dixon. Obviously, it's not like I've stopped tracking Dixon. I'm still tracking Dixon, and I want to buy Dixon, but I'm gonna wait for the stock price to consolidate a little bit because it's gone up too much. Should I check what it is right now? Let me check what Dixon is right now. It's at 3,900. Has it gone up in the last few days? Nah, see, it's consolidating. It's actually consolidating right now because it was at 4,400 and now it is at 309. And if you look at it, see how it's consolidated, guys. Okay, this is for you guys to get more understanding of how everything works. See how much it's consolidated. Yeah, awesome. So yeah, this is how we track. Okay, this is how we make understanding of how commodity prices have gone up. And apart from commodity prices just going up, we should also understand how commodity prices. You've seen all your metals going up, right? Metals going up, matlab everything will increase. Do you also know that your cost of your cars and all will also slowly start going up? Your cars that you have, mobile applications, your mobile applications, no mobile phones के अंदर कितना copper whopper use होता है. All of these things will start becoming quite expensive for everyone. Yeah, for the consolidation, maybe it has to consolidate because it went up too much, man. If you actually looked at Dixon's graph, it has gone up quite significantly. Okay, let's see how what else is happening. Oh, in another news, this company called Avalon Scenes raised pre-series A. So that was in the news yesterday on Economic Times. See, I'm just reading the news, guys. It's not like I'm reading something else, or this is some internal thing. I'm reading the news, and we see this amazing, fast-growing company run by some young, amazing entrepreneurs. You should definitely check them out. Yeah, so amazing entrepreneurs are tracking it, and it's doing really well. I mean yeah, it has to do really well. So अच्छा कर रहा है. Good founders, I know them personally, so they're very very good. Yeah, but I know them personally, so they're good founders. So when there's good founders, you should always put money behind good founders, right? So that is exactly what I do. So I have put money behind these guys. They're damn good founders. You should have a look at them and see their credibility as well. IPO, yeah, I mean, if it comes, I will definitely buy this IPO. If it definitely comes, I will buy the IPO. No doubts about it. बट या होपफुली आईपीओ अभी टाइम है आईपीओ के लिए ऐसा नहीं कि अभी तो प्री सीरीज हुआ है आईपीओ के लिए बहुत टाइम है सो अगेन लेट्स सी there's a lot of time for IPO to come, but we don't know. Anything can happen in this world of. And anyway, I think one of the founders, right? I think he's a finance guy. So one of the founders had even said that his dream is to run an IPO company. So again, I don't know. Anything can happen in this world. अच्छा लड़का अच्छा लड़का. Unlisted shares, I don't think it'll be for sale. Okay, cool. Next, let me see what else is there. Shashank ji, I will back you. Thank you, Rakesh ji. I think if no, but if Rakesh backs me, then the problem will happen that when I go IPO, they'll be like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala backed company goes for IPO. No one will talk about the founders. So I think what we're going to do, Rakesh, is we're going to say no to your investment. I think we'll be the first one who says no to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. I think that should be the headlines. Startup says no to Rakesh's money. Says too much insider trading is going on. We ban Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Yeah, cool. Uh, what about Elon Musk? Don't tell me about small people. Yeah, I only want big people. So please talk to me about big names. Yeah, don't tell me Ambani. So theek hai. Small Dogecoin players making money from coins and all. I don't focus much on. So yeah, yeah, cool, awesome. I hope this Elon doesn't get pissed off with me. Cool. Actually, what will you do? We'll be like, I'm pissed off, and you'll be like, I'm launching a new coin called pissedoffdoggy.com. Something like that. It doesn't matter. Yeah. What else? Gold crosses 49,000 rupees a gram. Do you guys remember there was this one point where gold was so cheap? There was this one point where gold had crashed. Do you guys remember that? And I had clearly told people at that point this was the best time to enter into gold. I think this was a few months, maybe 6 months, seven. This I remember this was when I got married because when I bought it, it was quite low, right? It was at 4,000, 44,000. Now it is at 49,000. So it has actually gone up. It's actually gone up a lot. So yeah, that's one scene. So if you had bought it there, you would have automatically made so wedding gift for no one. What gift? I bought coins for investment. Gift सब बाद में. I bought it for investment purpose, not some chain and all that. Chain because if I buy a chain, I can't sell it, right? I need something that I can sell. Something I can sell because it's all about profit and loss, right? Again, I'm not going to sell gold, but as a it's more it's considered a very bad thing in the social sector that oh my God, usko dekho बीवी का gold बेच दिया. You know how bad that sounds, and it's all not sounds, but it's also considered looked down upon in the society, right? But if I have gold coins, then nobody can tell me anything. I'll just go sell the gold coins. So it is considered okay. See how society looks at it, right? If you buy gold coins, which is the same thing, which is still gold, if you sell that, it is fine. But if you sell gold, which is the women's jewelry, it is considered bad. So I don't look at women's gold jewelry as an investment. I look at it as a loss, literally. So even when my wife tells me, right, we need to get gold this year, I'm like, as an investment or as a loss, right? Because I know for a fact, it, yeah, sentiments get involved, and when sentiments get involved, usually loss ही होता है, right? Even in the stock market when you trade, and if you have sentiments in the stock market, you have a loss, right? So whenever sentiments are involved, I'm like, chalo, even if there's a damn good offer, no one, they will not sell the gold, because they'll be like, no, this is the first gold that you got me, 10 years ago, how can I sell it? Gaya paisa waste. So the gold of investment should be your coins. So it should be very clear when you're investing in gold, what is it. So the safest thing to do, guys, for, I don't know how many of you are married already, safest thing to do, if you want to buy gold, buy sovereign gold bond or buy some gold ETF and sit down, where you can't give it physically also if you want to. So that's great, right? स्मार्ट होना चाहिए. आई वॉज लिटिल लेट टू द पार्टी, मेरे को कोई हेल्प नहीं किया ये सब मामले में. ओके. Farmesi, जिसका न्यूज आया था कल, that they're buying MedLife. Apparently, they completed the MedLife acquisition completely. Okay, now Farmesi will currently operate around 80,000 pharmacies and are planning to expand it by another 40,000 to 120,000 outlets across 100 cities by end of 2021. Wow, this is going to be amazing. They're going to get 40,000 more pharmacies, and this is the best time to do it because disruption कैसा है, मतलब there's COVID, right? Just put a team and they'll start building your pharmacy. So by the time everyone's come, yeah, they're talking about offline stores. So by the time everyone's coming out of COVID, all your stores are ready, fresh to take up. So this is the best time for them to do that also, actually. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. By the way, there's a lot of news about something happening with the new IT rules. Have you guys noticed that? The new IT rules that are coming up with, who's that? WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. There's a lot of things going on from that perspective. Have you heard of that? So that, so I've not been tracking it quite seriously, but Google just assured that they'll do compliance with India's new IT rules. I mean, obviously, they have to comply with India's new IT rules. Neto, how will they get all the information? So they have to just say yes to everything and be like, just let us take the information, because if we don't have this information, how will we run Google Ads? And if we don't run Google Ads, how will we make money? So obviously, everyone's going to be like, yes, yes, we comply, right? Because India has biggest resource pool is India, right? Who have middle income pay also, where they can sell these 1,000 rupees products and people can buy it. Yes, Koo, Koo. Have you heard of Koo? Most of you all might have not heard of this company called Koo. It is actually originally called as Koo. Okay, it was originally called as Koo. KUKOO. It was originally called. Now it is called KOO, which is Koo. Koo is basically the Indian Twitter. Okay, Twitter for Bharat. Let's make it simple. It is Twitter for Bharat. Matlab, currently on Twitter, you can go on Twitter and be like, saw this very intellectual bird today, and I thought about how humans and life are so interlinked with freedom. Because most of the Twitter things are very intellectual. I don't understand that, right? Everyone, it's like everyone's in that same 180 characters or more. I don't know how many characters, but in that same characters, everyone becomes so intellectual and spiritual. And so Ku is basically the Twitter for India, basically for Bharat. Twitter for Bharat matlab Hindi mein they can write, Kannada mein they can write, so they can actually, yeah, like Desi Twitter. So actually they can go on Ku and be like, कैसे हो आप, और आज मैंने मौसम देखा और बहुत सुहाना था. So something like that you can write. Imagine that on Twitter. You'll be like, dude, this platform's weird, right? If someone starts writing sher o shairi over there. And a lot of people have come on Ku as well, especially Indian celebrities like Anupam Kher. I think Varun Dhawan recently came out. So Ku is the Indian Twitter, has raised $30 million today. So Ku has raised $30 million at a $100 million valuation. Can someone quickly tell me how much percentage dilution happened to the company? They raised 30 million at $100 million valuation, pre money, 30%. Okay. What is dilution? Matlab they had to give away 30% of their company to raise this 30 million. So 30 ka 30 deal ho gaya tha Kuku ke sath. So that is what happened today. So they raised massive money to rival the to rival Twitter, right? So they came up to and if Twitter gets banned tomorrow, then obviously Ku will stand to benefit the most. But this is basically why are people using it? Because what's happening is if you want to connect to Bharat, Bharat means people who don't speak English. Do you know that a lot of people in India don't come on Twitter because very intellectual conversation happens on Twitter sometimes? So if you want to know how to connect with basically Ku, say example for these actors, what they would do is they would come on Ku and maybe put some Hindi what do you call that Hindi quote saying that आज अपना मूवी का टीजर रिलीज होने वाला है प्लीज आप ज्वाइन करो और हम देखेंगे राधे, right, something like that. So that is a good distribution strategy for a lot of people because they can connect to a massive audience from the Bharat level. Okay. Yeah, Radhe OP, dude. I mean, it was the movie of the year. I heard it's going to Oscars also. So, yeah. So Ku, and by the way, let's look at some stats from Ku as well. Ku has around 5 million users on the platform. Number one. Second, it has 1,23,000 reviews, 4.5 star reviews. Damn, that's insane. Okay, 4.5 reviews, and it has 5 million downloads and 1,23,000 reviews. Guys, when we go live, no, with our app on the Play Store, I think now currently we're still in closed beta. You guys better give me 5 star reviews on the app, right? My review equal to app review 5 star. Okay, I want to beat Coos 4.5. I want to become 5. Thank you. Yes. Cool. Yeah, so that was Coup. So Coup raised a lot of money. 30 million, to put into perspective, is somewhere little more than 210, 220 crores. But it is basically, yeah, 210, 220 crores. That is what they have raised right now. Samjay? Okay, let me check. Anything else? One sec. Uh, Cuckoo. Have you also, guys? Have you heard that song that there was this very? I think there was a South Indian song. Have you heard of that song? Cuckoo, Cuckoo, Enjami. Enjoy Enjami. Oh my God, so many people know. So a lot of watch it, guys. For all the people, you obviously if you don't know Tamil, you won't understand anything, but it's fine. Even I know Tamil, I still don't understand the song entirely. But it was Enjoy Enjami, and it got some crazy views on YouTube. And उसमें एक chorus है which talks about like it talks about coo, right? It's like cuckoo, cuckoo. I'm not gonna sing it, obviously. That's damn embarrassing. But you guys get the gist. So please have a look at it by yourself. Again, not promoting Enjami Enjoy, but that guy is just crazy. Also, do you guys know that Domino's data got hacked? Do you guys know that Domino's data got hacked? Nonsense. Apparently, in the black web, it seems like apparently in the dark web, they're selling a lot of information, which is quite sad. एक तो pizza खाओ and then you get screwed also at the same time. It's so sad. Even Air India got yeah, even Air India got hacked at the same time. Everyone's phone number, address, everything's getting leaked, so it's not a good thing, obviously. Then there are some other companies who raised a small amount, like for example, BetterHalf.ai raises 3 million in pre-series A round. Y Combinator backed company. What else? So Kolkata airport is going to be shut for 12 hours on Wednesday because of cyclone Yas. So that is happening. Look at this Ayush. He wants to go and go to dark web to figure out his ex what she's ordered. My God, Ayush, that's a lot of effort to go into dark web, find out what is happening, and then figure out what your ex is ordering. Uska phone number which you already have, which she might have blocked already, and uske baad you'll come to know her address, which again you already know. Why would you do that, Ayush? Why would you? वो क्या pizza खाती है? How does it matter to you? Right? If she's your ex, you should be worried about something else, like who is she dating, not which pizza she's eating. Unless she orders a lot of pizza and then you realize, abhi kuch hone wala hai, right? So yeah, Ayush, maybe that's your strategy. I don't know. It's like keeping tabs. It's like how week looking at quarterly results. Ayush is looking at quarterly orders of his ex girlfriend. on Domino's. Insane, insane. Suddenly अगर नॉन वेज खा लिया और गर्लफ्रेंड वेज है तो तेरे को पता है एग्जैक्टली दैट दिस ऑर्डर इज फॉर समवन एल्स, राइट? Very smart, very smart. By the way, there's another news. Tech billionaire Mark Cuban. Do you guys know Mark Cuban? Mark Cuban invests in Indian blockchain startup called Polygon. एक और आ गया क्या? Please don't tell me. Oh, Polygon is Matic. I didn't know Polygon was India. Was Polygon India? I also heard Matic went up today a lot, right? It came on my CoinDCX. एक notification आया today on CoinDCX. That my what the hell? Show क्या ads दिखा था? Where's Matic? Matic went up, wow, by 42% ऊपर गया Matic. Insane, insane. Holding from 65. Yeah, is it a collab? I don't know. I have not checked Matic. I'm not gone through Matic completely. But anyway, I've invested enough, so I'm just waiting now. Oh, my Tita coin also went up. Yeah, so I'm just investing in three coins and I'm just waiting. I got a few coins for free on some weird airdrop that is actually making a lot of money. So there's a very weird coin, right? In 2017, I got an airdrop of 100 coins, of 100 Tita coins, okay? And it was obviously, see, when airdrop happens, you don't even care about it, okay? It was just in my wallet. And when I recently opened my wallet, when this whole thing happened, yeah, Tita coin, I got 100 coins free airdropped. Today, the value of that coins from zero, literally being free, is now at $800. I literally got 50 grand for free for doing nothing. It was just an airdrop, free of cost. So that's, yeah, $800 maybe. Yeah, now 7.6. I have 100, so $760 free just for keeping it for 3 years. Actually, I didn't even keep it. I forgot. It was just there. It was an airdrop. Airdrop just are hundreds of coins. They keep airdropping to you. Suddenly, this coin did really well, so I'm very happy about it. Um, what happened to my other coin? One sec. Not Tita Fuel. Is this Tita coin? One sec. Let me just check if I'm anyway on Coin Market Cap. Okay, it's going up slowly. So okay. So what I can see is that the market is slowly recovering, right? Can you guys see that? Who's this guy, dude, barking? Shh. Yeah, the market is slowly recovering, right? So let's see, let's see. But I need to read up on this Matic. But already Matic is quite high on the net worth chart, right? It's already in the top 15, top 20. Hmm. Interesting, interesting. A lot of people are talking to me about Polygon. A lot of people are talking to me about Filecoin. Uh, Polkadot, yeah, so many coins. I am just like I'm just putting it in two, three. Maybe these will do well. I'm not saying it might not do. But anyway, Bitcoin's up to around 40,000 now, so it might do really well. But it's a slow process. Again, as I said, right? You guys might have realized by now. I think if you guys have been constantly on these on these sessions, these Friday weekend sessions, not Friday weekend, on these sessions, you would have understood that everything takes time, right? Everything takes time. And what do I mean by, okay, what is airdrop? A lot of people are asking airdrop. Airdrop is basically some people just give you free tokens in your wallet depending on how much ethereum or whatever you have. So for example, if I have more than zero point 0.2 ethereum, there might be some company somewhere who takes a screenshot of the blockchain and says all the ethereum wallets that have more than zero point 0.2, we will give them 100 tokens. Okay, that's usually done like a marketing stunt. It is like customer acquisition cost. It's done like a marketing stunt where they give you free coins. 99% of these free coins don't work. Okay, maybe 1% will work. Why they give you free coins? Because then you will go trade the free coins. Yes, now I got 100 coins, I'll go trade it. Now if I go trade it, what happens? Demand supply gap suddenly comes. Suddenly the coins value which was zero suddenly becomes $2-3. देखा कितना scam है ये market में. So be very careful. But you guys might have realized that everything is a long term game. It is not a short term game, and this is how it usually happens. So time लगता है, it takes time, but it is a long term game. Scammers, calm down, guys. It's okay. One man scam is another guy's downfall. But if you also think about it, guys, why do scammers win? What do they win on? Right? They win on other people's greed. So I wouldn't be sad if scammers won because they're playing on someone else's greed, right? Fear and greed and FOMO. So that is first of all, in fact, every scammer should meet a greed FOMO guy. Because in his life he'll realize, oh shit, ऐसा तो नहीं करना चाहिए. मैंने एक बार ऐसा हाथ, I had put 5,000 rupees and पूरा खराब हो गया था. Yeah, so it's better that way. Okay, okay. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's it for the news today. I don't think anything else interesting is there. That song is going to be stuck in my head, dude. That cuckoo cuckoo song now. Okay. Yeah, I think nothing else is there, guys. Any views on PiCoin? I don't know what PiCoin is. Um, yeah, no idea what PiCoin is. Yeah, musical evenings. I should join Martin's and Arohi's radio night one day. Arohi sings really well, by the way. Okay, awesome, guys. What are the three coins you want? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BAT. That's it, just three coins. But that's it. So I don't think I'll be able to take a lot of people up tonight. Not tonight, today. That just sounded so wrong. No, I won't be able to take a lot of people up today. But what we can do, I hope okay, I'll take one question from the audience. Some interesting questions from the audience. One interesting question from the audience, not some. Do we have a Telegram community? No, man. This is the community platform called Scenes and Sab Kuch Idhar Hai. Tell us about Britannia. What about Britannia? It's a company. It is very good company, fundamentally strong. Sell Bharti Airtel and buy what, bro? Sell Bharti Airtel and buy Prince Pipes. I did a video yesterday on Tuesday. If you were there on that video, you would have learned. Why do you remove Quest Corp on small case? Because the train was slower, and I found something that was a faster train, and obviously now that train is doing really well. When are the new small cases coming? Next Tuesday, I'm making a video for next Tuesday. I'm making a video for some small cases, paid small cases. If someone wants to look at them as well, I'm just going to show you what I'm investing in, or I've already invested in from the last 2-3 months and making good amount of returns. So I'm going to just show that to you guys. You guys can figure out what you want to do. What else? What else? Give me some good question, guys. Damn, that's a lot of questions. Did you invest in US stock? Not yet. Not yet. India में इतना 10% good returns I'm getting. Why should I go abroad? I'm enjoying in India right now. Thank you guys. Let me enjoy in India. Next. One more I'll take. Chalo. What? Ask a full question. Don't ask half questions. Not some WhatsApp message you're sending me, guys. By the time you send the second half of that answer or the question, it goes off into uh, another segment. Come on, some good question. Which app do I use for crypto? I'm using two right now. Again, I don't have any favorites. I haven't focused too much on the favorites, but I'm currently using two apps, which is CoinDesk and WazirX. I mean, most of us are using that only. So I'm not using some secret app. Don't worry. Your funding story, I'll tell you later, guys. I'll tell you our funding story later. Okay. Awesome. 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 Why are you replacing Airtel? Because it's a slow train, and I want a train that is faster. If you understand what train is, you'll understand what context I'm saying that with. Okay. I want to make more money for everyone, and Airtel would make it, but it's very slow. I want a faster train. Okay. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Anyway, it's Wednesday, so I'll see you guys tomorrow as well. Okay. Awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Some ideas we'll keep for tomorrow. Okay. Okay, I need to go to the washroom. I've been controlling from a long time. Chalo, guys. Bye. See you. Cool, schools, schools.